Hello and welcome to Techbelt. Today's video will be on how to join a contact grilling belt together. You will see three of our products in this video, the first being our TL30RB contact grilling belt, which is blue on one side and red on the other, our Kapton film, which is the orange film you'll see, that just protects the iron from any residue that's left over from the PFA, and the PFA itself, which helps weld the belts together. We will also be using some silicone, which is the red material you will see, that simply protects the surface underneath the belt from any damage from the heat. The standard overlap for our contact grilling belts is 25mm, but we can make it bespoke to meet your needs. The first step of the joining process is to line one side of the belt up to 25mm overlap. We then put PFA film underneath the joint, covered by Kapton film, and then we're ready to put the iron on. Please make sure the iron is over 380 degrees centigrade, as this will help the joining process. We would also recommend using the iron for 1 minute on each part of the joint, as this will give you the maximum result. Once you have ironed one part of the joint, it is important to use a cooling iron, which is a silver block, which simply just brings the material back down to room temperature. The process is now complete. We will now give you a quick overview of the delamination test. This just simply shows how well the joint has welded together. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like any more information, please contact us at sales@techbelt.com, or you can call us on 01 422 366 386. Thank you.